traders, we hit take profits. Super nice one. And look at the movement straight away. Bam, bam. Straight back to that place here. So for right now, that's a strong level here. That's one of the strongest level here. Inside of this movement. So this is starting here. So this zone here it is the strongest. If you start there and end there, that's the strongest level here. So we definitely, for the buyers, scalp buyers, we don't want to break this zone. Because for the major moves, we have to wait a little bit. Maybe not. Depends. I still will be patient here. Because one thing what we can see here is how we started. Like we start with the M pattern. And the second pattern what we see is the M pattern. But right now we have the W inside. But this W is holding right now. If you zoom in, let's trade this one. You can see the W high is here. And we can even use the same level here. So like you see, we have nice breaking structure here. We have a retest, but the impact of the retest, it didn't break lows so far. So when the buyers are taking control right now, for example, when we're going in the range of here, so now we are inside the paddle area, the paddle area, because this energy was going inside this zone. The M pattern, the M energy is the original one inside here. And now when we respect the pattern, we go back up here. That's our movement. And that's just one thing and that's just because of the patterns. Like that's how it things goes there. Because that's gonna happen. You're going because that's the first challenge and that's the second challenge. There's nothing here. There's something, but that's even better for that pattern because you can see here we have the first leg of the W high, and now we have the W. So that was the thing. Like the emotion inside is the W, but you can see this impulse candlestick, like how we fail it. So this level here, it's even good for the buyers because then it's back. You can see those reflections there too, the candlesticks. But yeah, patient, and yeah, for the sellers, it's gonna go back here. But still, right, for example, right now inside that zone, because it's going higher, higher, higher. Yeah, yeah. Overall, patient, and And if you already closed that trade here, then come on, there is go reward yourself. Go reward yourself. Oh, what was happening before? All-time high? BTC all-time high. Amazing. So, let's talk about journey inside this zone. For example, for for example, this. Oof, yes, yes. Like BTC is so OG stuff. Like it's crazy. Like this story is pretty good inside here. Yeah, let's have a big one. So the first thing what I was showing is how the W is fighting with the M pattern, W pattern, and M pattern. You can see the W is holding the pressure of the M pattern with the left hand, and then the W is holding the pressure of the another bearish pattern downside in the right hand. You can see here, whoop, and then whoop. It's holding like, and then we are creating this nice holder here, a foundational level for the tablet to hold that weight, the pressure up. You know, it has to be a nice one because it's a heavy stuff here. It's a heavy pressure. We need a nice one here, and you can see here after this one, we respect that area. Like how beautiful is that? Nice candlestick pattern, and first emotion. Pomake, break the highs. Now you can see how the price is bouncing back here. Re uh, retest again. Nice candlestick pattern. And then break the structure highs. Retest and Pomake. And look at this break and retest. Like I love it. Like it's beautiful. Like that's the art inside here. Like that's art. Memes. No, it's levels. This one here. Amazing. And then that was the take profit area for the buys here. And then price just continue. Okay. Extension, W extension. Interesting. You can see here. Oh, this is the M pattern. And if you go in here, the M pattern is back. And then you can see the W pattern. Actually, let's do that. You can see the W here. And then W is here too. Like below W, W, above M pattern and M pattern. Like again, patterns are back. They're balancing out some kind of movement there because both of those patterns right now they are in a new area. Like it's you know, even they don't know right now. Like all this area here, they don't even know. So basically, let's give the time to breathe there. I should. Pawaki, pawaki. Structure break is pretty awesome here too. And a solid retest. Solid one. For example, this entry here is pretty good scalp opportunity. to go back to the highs. That's a pretty good one. Stop loss under here. Let's zoom this one here. And I was thinking, so that's the 618 here, and then you have to hold the structural break here. Right. Well, crazy one. Skyrocketing back to the highs. Yeah, like this one here, it's very solid trade. Like I like this one. And this one here is the 618 of the bigger structure then. That's just a scalp opportunity because the structure, it's a good structure. We break super nicely. Like you can see here, like it's all broken. It's pretty nice. And here is equal highs and the 618. Yes. And nice buy. But yeah, Bitcoin all time high. Super nice. And gold is like that. Gold patient. And let's see what's going on here. So we break this, the main support, and then the fix was the 618 with the break above it. But it wasn't the best to see that movement, to be honest. But like so far, there is something going on here. Because one thing what can going on here is we break the rules a little bit because it is a pattern. It's like one pattern, so that meaning is like we didn't actually break it because it's still one pattern. It's just a little bit extended there. It is possible, but for the let's look the FEEB here. FEEB is getting rejected already. Oh, okay. Now the story is a little bit totally different. So this 618 actually break the lows of this one. And 0.7 was get rejected crazily. Like this zone 0.7 back to the 618, that was fast. Like whoop, I'm gone. And the read this was breaking structure, but it survived, and now it's surviving here. Just and then this is the last one. Well, even the bigger Fibonacci here is the same thing. You can see if the prices start breaking here down here, it's still possible to go back up. But after when the price action go below here, that's already not good. Let's say that because that's the meaning of this Fibonacci is taking control here. that's the big one here. Nice. But let's say my last trade was buy, so I'm gonna be patient and let's see what price is doing after above that area. And when the price is even going here and we're failing there, then we already know what's gonna happen. Because we are failing. Anyway, boys, love you. See you tomorrow. Thank you and ciao.